guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Agriculture and GK. I am Punita Gupta and today we are going to solve MSc entrance exam previous year paper of चौधरी चरण सिंह यूनिवर्सिटी हरियाणा. गाइस, इस एग्ज़ाम में एग्रीकल्चर से रिलेटेड लगभग 200 क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं और इस वीडियो में हमने पूरे 200 क्वेश्चन कवर करने का कोशिश किया है. तो हो सकता है कि वीडियो लंबा हो, बने रहिए हमारे साथ. Question number 1. Water inside the plants moves through. Answer is B. Xylem. Second question is, while testing seed, the grow out test is conducted to determine. Answer is A. Genetic purity. Question number 3 is, optimum seed rate of soybean is. Answer is B. 70 to 80 kilogram. Question number 4. Which chemical causes finger lip disease in cotton? Answer is A. 2,4-D. Question number 5. Psychosil is a. Answer D. Growth retardant. Question number 6. Which among the following is the most severe form of water erosion? Answer is B. Gully erosion. Question number 7. Enzyme responsible for carboxylation in C3 plant is. Answer is C. Ribulose 1,5-biphosphate carboxylase. Question number 8. Which among the following is a frost-tolerant variety of raya? Answer is B. RH781. Question number 9. Contaminants in cotton are known as. Answer C. Moths. In North India, sugarcane is mostly used with how many buds? Answer is A. 2 bud sets. Question number 11. Major groundnut producing state in India. Answer is B. Gujarat. Question number 12. Photoperiodically wheat is. Everyone knows wheat is long day plant. Question number 13. The inflorescence of sugarcane is known as. Answer is B. Arrow. Next question 14. Which among the following is mycoherbicide? Answer is A. Colego. Question number 15. Name of the insect order in which in general the larval stage is phytophagus and adults are nectar feeder or sap sucker. Answer is Lepidoptera. Question number 16. Which insecticide formulation consists of active ingredient mixed with a liquid solvent that needs to diluted with water prior to application? Answer is B. Emulsifiable concentrate. Question number 17. Which of the following character do immature lepidopterian and coleopterian insects share? Answer is D. They all have biting and chewing type mouthparts. Question number 18. Summer diapause is known as. Answer C. Estivation. Question 19. The scientific name of Italian honeybee is. Answer is A. Apis mellifera. Question number 20. The larval stage is predatory whereas the adult are pollinator in case of. Answer A. Sidepit. Question number 21. The opening on an arthropod body surface that allows for air transfer is called. Answer A. Spherical. Question number 21. What are located between the compound eyes which may be variable in number but never exceed 3 in number? Function appear to aid the insect in determining light intensities, unable to form images. So, answer is B. Ocelli. Question number 23. Honeybees often sting. Answer is A. Single time. Question number 24. The body temperature of insect normally follows closely the temperature of the surrounding and hence it is termed as. Answer D. Poikilothermic. 25. brown plant hopper is a major pest of? Answer is D. Paddy or rice. 26. The use of synthetic pyrethroids has caused severe outbreaks of? Answer is B. Whitefly. The common name of Chilopartellus is? Answer D. Maize stem borer. Question number 28. Wings are absent in? Answer is Thysanura. Question number 29. Mouthparts in thrips belongs to the type? Answer is C. Asymmetrical type. Question number 30. Trichogramma chalonensis is? Answer is C. Egg parasitoid of sugarcane borers. Question number 31. The systemic is the study of? Answer is B. Relationship between groups of any size. Question number 32. Pest which occurs in isolated location is known as? Answer is C. Sporadic pest or D. Also occasional pest. 33. Which is the pest of potato tuber in field and storage? Answer is D. Cutworm. Question number 34. In insect population which have only one generation a year, the shape of population growth curve is? Answer is B. J-shaped curve. Question number 35. The grazing food web begins with? Answer is D. Autotrophs. Question number 36. Economic injury level is? Economic threshold level. C. Economic injury level is greater than economic threshold level. Question number 37. PRA stands for? Answer is A. Participatory Rural Appraiser. Question number 38. National Agriculture Technology Project was started in the year is 1998. Question number 39. According to Professor Mildred Hutton, the first training group of human race is? Answer is A. Family. Albert Mayer started a project called? Answer is C. Itheva Pilot Project. Question number 41. The word communication is derived from? Answer is D. Latin word. Question 42. In the preparation of audio-visual aids, the principle of ABC signifies? Answer is C. Attractiveness, brevity and color. Question number 43. Which among the following is a method of identify leader? Answer is 43. D. All of the above. Sociometric method, informatum rating, self-designated method. Question number 44. Which among the following models of communication is called mathematical theory of communication? Answer is B. Shannon and Weber's model. Question number 45. Single line of command was one of the main features of? Answer is 45. D. T and V. Question number 46. Extension Education Institute for North India is located at? Haryana. Question number 47. Extension program is a statement of situation, objectives, problems and? So answer is solution. 48. Which among the following entrepreneurs is timid and cautious in nature? Answer is A. Fabian. Next question is, which among the following is a technique of idea generation? Answer is C. Brainstorming. Question number 50. The concept of venture capital was originated in? Answer D. In USA. Next question 51. Temperate forests of the western Himalayas are the climatic climax of the following? Answer is A. Abyss species. Question number 52. The yield of forest is regulated on the basis of volume by using following. Answer is A. Von Mantel's formula. Question number 53. Widely accepted classification of forest type of India is based upon. Answer is C. Ecology. Field planting season for popular tree is. Answer is A. Winter. Question number 55. Sulfate naval stores are by products of the following pulping process. Answer is C. Kraft pulping, and also answer B. Sulfate pulping. Question number 56. Ghati gum is obtained from Anogeus latifolia. Question number 57. Maximum segregation is observed in. Answer is B. In F2 generation. Question number 58. Single cell descent method is a modification of. Answer is B. Bulk method. Question number 59. Vegetatively propagated crops are usually heterozygous in nature. The most commonly used breeding scheme is. Answer C. Pedigree method. Answer 61. Land races are very good sources of genes for adaptability. Question number 62. Variation within a pure line is due to. Answer is B. Environment. Transgenic plants are being cultivated in India in is cotton. 64. Cotton and pigeon pea are self-pollinated. Question number 65. Which of the following has been used for inducing male sterility in bajra? A. Tipped 23A. 66. TGMS and PGMS system of male sterility are available in. Answer is C. In rice. Center of origin of Gossypium herbaceum is. Answer is C. Africa. 68. Golden rice is related to enhanced provitamin A. 69. Genetic disassociative mating will result in. Answer is A. Reduced homozygosity. 70. 1 MAP unit is equal to. Answer is A. 1% recombination between genes. 71. If recombination occurs before the chromosome replication, percentage of parental type gametes will be. Answer is D. 0%. Question number 72. Which of the following mechanism does not promote cross-pollination? Answer is B. Cosmogamy. Question number 73. Which of the following can be considered a case of non-Mendelian inheritance? Answer is D. All of these. 74. Upper limit of crossing over between two genes is 50%. 75. Bacterial artificial chromosome may be used for construction of. Answer is genomic library. Experiment that unambiguously demonstrate that DNA is the genetic material was conducted by Hershey and Chase. 77. Which of the following is not an auxin? Answer is C. Kinetin. 78. Fusion of cytoplasm from two species and nuclear genus from any one species leads to development of. Answer A. Hybrid. 79. Polymerase chain reaction PCR was invented by. Scientist is K. Mullis. 80. Which of the following is not a direct gene transfer method? Method is Agrobacterium. 81. Which of the following fruits is a rich source of vitamin C? Answer is C. Anola. 82. Mulching is helpful in moisture conservation, weed control. Answer is C. Both A and B. Question number 83. Which of the following varieties of apple is pollinizer? Answer is B. Golden Delicious variety. 84. Which of the following varieties of mango is suitable for high density planting? Answer is D. Amrapali. Question 85. Which fruit crop is suitable for arid regions? Answer B. Bear. 86. Which system of planting is most suitable for slopy lands in hilly areas? Answer is A. Contour. 87. Spongy tissue is a physiological disorder of A. Mango. 88. Which PCR is commonly used for rooting initiation in stem cutting? Answer is C. IBA. Indole acid. 89. Which among the following is an aggregate fruit? Answer is B. Strawberry. Question number 90. Among this fruit crop, the richest source of ferrous is? Answer is Karonda. 91. Which of the following fruit is most suitable for jelly making? Answer is D. 92. Most of apple varieties have the chilling requirement of? Answer is B. 1000 to 1500 Hz. 93. Which of the following nematode is kidney shaped? Answer is B. Rotilanches. 94. A series of transverse depressions on the cuticle of nematode is known as annulations. 95. Transmission of grapevine fan leaf virus is by nematode is D. Gypinema index. 96. Which of the following is nematicide? Answer is D. None of these. Question number 98. Which of the following is a piercing organ in nematode? Answer is C. Stellate. Question number 99. Sclerotinium survives in soil in the form of? Answer is B. Sclerotia. Question 100 is Irish famine was caused due to? Answer C. Late blight of potato. 101. Rust and smut fungi belong to? Answer is B. Basidiomycota. 102. Whiptail of cauliflower is due to molybdenum deficiency. 103. Citrus canker is caused by? Answer A. By bacteria. 104. Which one of the following is not a biological control agent? Answer is D. Xanthomonas. 105. Gene for gene hypothesis was given by? Answer is B. H. Floor. Question number 106. Kedong disease of coconut is caused by? Answer is C. Viroid. 107. Components of Bordeaux mixture are? 107. Answer is C. Lime, copper sulfate and water. 108. Transportation of potato tuber for seed purpose is not allowed from Darjeeling Hills to North India due to presence of? A. Synchritium endobioticum. 109. Albugo candida survives as? Answer is D. Oospores. Question number 110. Which one of the following chemical is most effective in managing downy mildew disease? Answer is B. Metalaxyl. 111. Moko disease of banana is caused by? Answer D. Ralstonia solanacearum. Question number 112. Apothecium contains? Answer C. Ascospores. 113. Asexual fruiting bodies of anthracnose fungi are D. Acervuli. In Ventura in Equalis, the Exki and Ascospores are formed in. Answer is A. Pseudothium. 115. Rust of rose is caused by. Answer D. 116. Premature leaf fall of apple is caused by. Answer A. Marsonia coronaria. Question number 117. Powdery mildew of mango is caused by. Answer is C. Odium mangifera. Question number 118. Blister blight of tea is caused by. Answer is B. Exobacterium vexans. 119. Which one of the following is not a component of disease strangle? Answer is B. Suppressive soil. Stem gall of coriander is caused by. A. Protomyces macrosporus. Hypoxyl type of seed germination occur in. Answer is B. In P. Varietal purity is checked by. Grow out test. Seed priming improves the. Answer B. Vigor of the seed. 124. Physical dormancy caused by hardsheet coat is overcome by scarification. Desiccant used for drying of seed is. Answer is silica gel. Safe seed moisture content for sealed storage is A. 4 to 8%. 127. Acid soil can be amended with the help of. Answer A. Lime. Basalt is a. Which type of rock? Answer is A. Igneous type. 129. Which of the following microbes involved in the nitrification process? Answer is C. Nitromonas and Nitrobacter both. 130. The range of useful of tensiometers is between. 130. Answer is B. 0 to 0.8 bar. Vascular, arbuscular mycorrhiza or VAM is known for. Answer B. Uptake of phosphorus. 132. Khera disease of rice is caused due to deficiency of. Answer B. Zinc. 133. Bone meal is well suited for. Answer is acidic soil. Single sulfur phosphate contains. Answer is B. 16 to 18% P2O5. Epipedon is a diagnostic of A. Surface horizon. At what pF wilting percentage arrives? Answer is A. 4.2. 137. Petrogenesis, which is the study of the. Answer is B. Origin of rocks. 138. Three particles have diameter of 0.5, 1.5 and 0.15 mm. The three particles are. Answer is C. Sand, sand and sand. 139. The root growth is drastically reduced when oxygen diffusion rate is decreases. Answer is A. 20 to 10 raised to the power minus 8 gram per centimeter square per minute. 140. The availability of plant nutrients are more at a pH range of 6 to 7 except. Answer is D. Molybdenum. Montmorillonite has higher cation exchange capacity CEC comparison to. Answer is C. Both of these kaolinite and illite. Question 142. In which soil structure infiltration, permeability and aeration are good? Answer is D. Sphere-like or granule. 143. The harmful effect of continuous application of sewage water over several years may result in enrichment of. Answer is A. Cadmium. 144. Irrigation water quality is evaluated based upon. Answer is A. Total salt content, sodium and specific ion toxicities. 145. Orange colored varieties in carrot enriched source of. Answer is A. Carotene. Per hectare seed rate of broad bean is. Answer is D. 70 to 100 kilogram. 147. Potato is mainly propagated by tuber. 148. Types of vegetable gardening followed on the Dal Lake of the Kashmir Valley is. Answer is A. Floating garden. 149. Which of the following is the best for vegetable cultivation? Answer is B. Sandy loam soil. 150. Hybrid variety of chili recommended for cultivation is. Answer is B. CH1. 151. Marginal physical product MPP where P production and X input is equal to. Answer 51. A. Delta P divided by delta X. 152. In which relation an increase or a decrease in production of one product affect the production of the other inversely? Answer is A. Supplementary. Question number 153. The World Trade Organization WTO is successor to. Answer B. GATT. GATT. 154. Which of the following is the apex bank for agriculture credit in India? Bank is C. NABARD. Question 155. A demand curve measures. Answer A. Buyer's willingness to pay. 156. Consumer surplus is. So, consumer surplus is a buyer's willingness to pay minus the price. According to law of demand, what is the truth? Answer C. There is a negative relationship between quantity demand and price. 158C. Marginal utility signifies. Answer is C. Utility from additional unit. 159. National income means money measures of the overall annual flow of goods and services in an economy. 160. Internal rate of return IRR is that rate at which net present value is. C. 0. 161. The residual left with the farmers after meeting his family consumption, farm requirements, social and religious payment is called as. Answer is B. Marketable surplus. If NPW is 0, then B by C ratio is. Answer is C. Equal to 1. 163. A market characterized by a large number of sellers and buyers and homogeneous products is known as. Answer is C. Perfect market. 164. Demand for goods which are needed for further production is called as. Answer is A. Derived demand. 165. Which one of the following is not a measure to reduce the risk? Answer is D. Monoculture. 166. Marginal product is. Answer is A. Addition made to total production by the use of an additional input. 167. In which layer of the atmosphere there is a temperature inversion? In stratosphere. Answer B. 168. Which layer of the atmosphere has lowest average temperature? Answer is C. Mesosphere. Question 169. The value of environmental lapse rate is given as. Answer is B. Plus 6.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. 170. Wind direction is measured as. Answer is D. 10 raised to power minus 2 to 10 raised to power 4 meter. 172. The name of the most important weather element is B. Rainfall. 173. Khera disease, also known as iron rust of rice, is caused to deficiency of zinc. Answer B. 174. Lysine is a limiting amino acid is. Answer A. Cereals. 175. Which among the following herbicides is non-selective herbicide? Answer A. Paraquat. 176. Balsam seed is treated with. Answer is C. Rhizobium trifoli. 177. Conversion of ATP to ATP is known as. Answer B. Photophosphorylation. 178. Deficiency of which essential plant nutrient leads to pop pod in groundnut? Answer is B. Calcium. 179. Which among the following weeds causes dropsy disease in human beings? Answer is D. Orchimon mexicana. 180. Roots absorb water from soil. Answer is both active and passively. Next question is sunflower belongs to family. Answer is B. Asteraceae. Removal of uniform thin layer of soil by the action of water is referred as. Answer B. Seed erosion. At 183. Major sources of water used by plants is. Answer hygroscopic water. I don't know. Sorry. 183 is A. Capillary water. 184. Parthenium histophorus congress grass can be controlled by. Answer is C. Zygorama bicolorata. 185. Heavy shedding of buds and balls occurs in cotton due to. Answer D. Water stays at bud formation stage. 186. Strip irrigation is most suited to. Answer is C. Saline soil. The term Lisa is related to. Answer is D. All of this. Organic farming, inorganic farming and natural farming. 188. Light intensity at which photosynthesis and respiration are equal is known as. Answer is A. Light compensation point. 189. Which type of maize is mainly grown in India? Answer is C. Flint corn. 193. Canola is a group of plants belonging to. Answer A. Mustard. 191. 1 hectare centimeter of water is equal to. Answer B. 192. Under stress conditions, which amino acid accumulated in plants? Answer is C. Tryptophan. 193. Stem nodulation occurs in green manure crop of. Answer C. Sesbania aculeata. 194. Stomata closing can be induced by. Answer is D. PMA. 195. Most damaging single influences on storage life of seeds is. Answer A. High moisture content. 196. Instrument used for measuring solar radiation is. Answer is D. Pyranometer. Question 197. Attraction of water molecules towards soil particle is. Example of adhesion. 198. The critical slope for soil erosion is. Answer is C. 3%. The instrument used for measuring depth of water table is known as. Answer B. Piezometer. Question 200. Sesame belongs to family. Answer C. Papiliaceae. So guys, हमारे 200 क्वेश्चंस यहीं पे ख़त्म होते हैं. आई होप दिस वीडियो is very helpful for your all competitive exams. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe our channel Agriculture and GK. Thank you very much.